So, hi everyone. This is our finance agent assistant. So, we can connect with the direct Yahoo Finance with this and we can ask the question. So, for the example, if I will ask the question, what is the current price of Apple? So, it's connected with the Yahoo Finance and it will give us the answer. So, it's our finance agent. Okay, so it gave us the answer. So now let me ask if I have the so now let me ask show me the analyst recommendation for the Tesla. Okay, so I will paste it here. Okay, so it gave us the answer. Okay, so these are the analyst recommendation. So it's for the Tesla. Okay, and now let me try with the another. So let me ask the fundamentals for the Microsoft. Okay, so it gave us the answer fundamental for the Microsoft. So it's our finance agent. It's directly connect with the Yahoo Finance, and it gave us the answer. So you can use this agent in your chatbot easily. It's a complete tool. You will get the complete code base, like how to integrate with your chatbot. You can use this without Streamlit also. So let's start the coding. So what we have done in coding. So this is the complete HTML interface. I think it's 130 lines of code in this file. So what we are doing in this file. So first we import all the libraries which is required for this, and then we set the config like page title icon that thing, and then after we created a markdown for and the unsafe allow HTML equal to true, and we have the CSS here. The CSS is coming from this file. Let me see. This CSS is from the markdown.py file. Okay, so here it's basically like we have some design some classes, main header, chat message, user message, which you are seeing let me see, like this design complete. We have the different background of this. So this is coming from the CSS. Okay, so what you can do, you can stop the skin and write the code. It's not so much big code, so you can write easily. And then we have the initialize agent. It's the main code where we are initializing the agent, all the definitions API key, model name, and we are defining here Y finance tool, which is the complete analyst tool that is giving us the answers. Okay, so we have defined the description here and the format, like what types of format it should provide us, and here we define the SQLite connection. So this will save the user chat history so that the AI can remind like what the user asked previously. Okay, and then we have the message, like we have defined the state here. Why we define this? Because whenever we send any message, then it will refresh the page. So avoid that, we define the state here, and same for the agent. Okay, then we have the main header here, and here we have the sidebar let me say, like this is the sidebar, like we have the about quick action. This is our sidebar. Okay, so here we have the sidebar, and we have the some queries, example queries. Then we divide a column, two columns, and we have here input. We have this input here, like ask the question. This input we have coded here. Okay, so for messaging std session state message. Okay, so we are defining the messaging here. Okay, every message we are asking, so it will show on a screen, it will not disappear. Okay, so this we are defining here for you, and then we have the user input, and that user input we are sharing. Okay, we are appending into a state so that the page will not refresh. Then we have the state session. Then we are sending this to agent so that we can get the output of this. Okay. Then we have the simple markdown here, like it's a design perspective, and this is our final. Okay. And we have the footer also here. Footer code we have here. This is our footer CSS part. Okay. Then we have our sidebar.py also. So where we define the sidebar. So this is our sidebar. where we define the complete design here. It's a CSS file of this. It's basically a function which is written in the CSS. Okay. So this is your complete code, and this is the code where without the streamlit, so that it can directly integrate in your chatbot. And this is the code of the complete with the streamlit interface. So you can post the screen and write the code, as you can download the code from the description. And don't forget to visit our platform, marketplace.bharatAIConnect.com, and share your creations here so that everyone can use that, and you can also earn the money with this. So we have created the two items till now here. Like we have the finance agent here, which it's recently created, and we have the still Amazon data. Okay, so we have two items here, and you can come here and register, and you can also list your items so that you can earn some money. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.